For when all is said and done, only performance will allow Negroes to move on to better jobs. In terms of his own experience, Jackie Robinson expresses it well.
I sacrificed a lot. My personal aggressiveness, which caused me to almost have a breakdown in my first year. I've always been aggressive, saying the things that I believed in, but Mr. Rickey pointed out that in this thing, we couldn't argue back. The experiment would be dependent upon how I caught the ball, how I fielded it, and how I ran the bases, not by asserting my rights as an American citizen or anything else. And he says, eventually you will find that your own ball players will start taking up your battle for you, and when they do, it's won. Those of you who remember newspaper headlines said that there would be all kinds of problems, that the players on my own team would be opposed to me. There was considerable opposition by some members of our club saying that they wouldn't play with me if I was brought on the club. And a week or so after I was with the ball club, it began to be evident that I was going to be able to help the ball club in some way. And the people who are most vocal against my being a member of the ball club came to me one day in Boston and said, look, there are ways that you can help our ball club. I learned this early in my career. I learned another thing in my career. If you would do these things, you will be able to help our ball club. Now, I know what the thinking was. If you help our ball club, well, we might win enough games to be the National League champs. And it was very successful. He didn't change his personal feelings towards the Negro, but he saw full well that I could play on the ball club with him and
became a member of the team.
Right, and not affect him at all.
In Washington, Hobart Taylor Jr., Executive Vice Chairman of the President's Committee on Equal Employment Opportunity, sums up the goal for us all.
Despite what has been accomplished, there are still millions of American citizens who are discriminated against because of how they look, where their parents came from, where they worship, or how they spell their names.